shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
Turbe turbe shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
Yabba turbe shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
Yabba turbe shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
Yabba turbe shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
Turbani turba
Yabba turbe
karora bafatta
yabba turbe
gantu gufista
yabba turbe
nakamte gubasa
yabba turbe
ambo manasasa
yabba turbe
degito kasa
yabba turbe
kerroto se farsa
yabba turbe
yabba turbe shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
yabba turbe shimalake gobi gade golagalte.
Kashelo lam yona pandurbe kashelo laka yona pandurbe kerrofane rire yona pandurbe wabo fane rire yona pandurbe kashelo lam yona pandurbe kashelo laka yona pandurbe kashelo laka yona pandurbe idam birran yona pandurbe walakana ke ram yona pandurbe champu vincharan yona pandurbe ambo gudari ran yona pandurbe jallu ginchiran yona pandurbe arsi asallaran yona pandurbe bare robe ran yona pandurbe arar gerre ran yona pandurbe kashelo laka yona pandurbe kashelo lam yona
waraanni bilisummaa warqiiti. Warqii mormarraa bareedu qabdu. Warri qabdan beektu miti. Jalqaba biyyoo keessa ture. Achi ka'ee ibidda keessa darbe. Mormarra innaa ga'u bareeda. Waraana bilisummaa Oromoo jechuun warqii mormarraa jechuudha.
Waraanaa deema jedha. Kuni Oromoo sobee dhiiga dhabdee akka dhangala'utti godhaa jira. Wanti ati deemte woboo afoo dhaabattuuf hidheetti afoo dhaabattuuf hin jiru dhugaadha. Qabsoonni hadhoofti. Qabsoon akkuma hadhooftu san gaafa bu'aan isii dhufe mi'aa qabdi. Kanaaf jecha ilmaan Oromoo bakka jirtu mana kenya jalatti gale kana akka ofarraa no Manson Ali must go. Free Jawad Muhammad. Justice for Hajalu. Justice for Hajalu. Dugan Hajalu Yomu Nibati. Dugan Hajalu Yomu Nibati. Free Jawad Muhammad. Free Bankale Garpa. Free Gammachu Ayyana. Free Abdi Rakasa. Free Friend Mikhail Oran. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Oromia shall be free. Oromia must be free. Wali Jannah jenne, wali Jannah jenne, hatta me baat namme, banne ban kalle.
Ammachi garre.
Oromoon yeroo waliin galee waliin qabsaayu yeroon isaa amma namtichi nama nyaataan sobee ummata keenya addaan facaase ummanni keenya iduun faca'in waliin dhaabatee diinaafoo akka dhaabbatu dhaamsa keenya. US police help our people. Abiy bombing our people. Abiy killing our people. Abiy killing our children. Abiy killing our women. Abiy killing our older. Abiy killing our farmer. Abiy is killing all Tigray people. Abiy is killing Oromo people. Abiy killing all. Ethiopian government is the killer. We stand with TDF. We stand with Tagaru. We stand with Oromo people. We stand with Kemant. We stand with Agao. We are together. We win this dictator. Abiy. We stand together and then we win Abiy. Abiy is the killer. Abiy a killer. Abiy must go. Abiy is not true leader. Abiy is genocider. Abiy is ISIS. He went to Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government genocider. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the dictator. Abiy is start bombing our people.
My name's Lieutenant Diamond. I'm in charge of our community outreach and engagement team. And so I was just wondering where we're planning on going.
We go to figure out the thing.
So which road are you turning on? Madison. Okay, great. Right down there. So, all right. Okay, Madison.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a left, and then we're gonna Okay, and then you're gonna hang out there. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so we'll hang out behind you guys and throw some lights on behind you, and then and help you out. So, and you have my phone number. Okay. All right, you guys. Anybody can copy this down so you can give me a call. Okay. And Lieutenant Diamond. Yeah, 786-2783. Yeah. Okay. All right. So yeah. So they're going to go to Madison, and then we'll hang out in the federal building.
Yeah.
You guys hang off to one side. We'll try to block traffic for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Give it our best shot.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Ethiopia Prime Minister, stop killing our people. Ethiopia Prime Minister, stop killing our people. Ethiopia